As a hiring partner, the main way we start our hiring process is through contacts. Right now, the legal profession is very saturated. It's very competitive, and the way that we look for candidates to even interview, let alone hire, is through who you know. It's less about what your resume looks like when it shows up on our doorstep. It's who got us that resume. I know that St. Thomas has an excellent networking program, that there are lots of opportunities for St. Thomas graduates to get out into the community, to meet lawyers, and that really is the best way to help yourself find a job. Once you've gotten in the door and we see your resume, it's really important that your resume reflect a well-rounded person. Obviously, we're looking at someone who does well in school. We want to know that they have a good grade point, that they have a good class rank, but it's also extremely important to see that they are involved in other activities, and not just law school activities. I know that there's so many opportunities right at St. Thomas to get involved and do extracurricular type things, but we're also looking for other things. And I'm not just talking about job experience. I'm talking about activities that you were involved in or passionate about in college. Those sort of volunteer activities that may continue while you're still in law school. We want you to be an interesting person. What I do is insurance defense litigation, and so we're working with insurance adjusters as clients. And we want the candidates, not only as law clerks, but as associates also, to be able to connect with the adjusters on a personal level. It's not just about how smart you are, but it's also about what you can talk about when you're on the phone. When considering whether you want to get into the legal profession and go through the process of taking the LSAT and do your law school applications, one thing that you need to remember is you don't need to have all the answers right now. The legal education is an excellent education, whether you want to become an attorney or not. I went to a different law school, and there were a number of people that graduated with me in my class, and they went into business. They went into nonprofit work. They did something other than becoming a law firm lawyer, and you need to understand there are lots of options. It's a great education. It broadens the way that you think. It changes the way that you think, and it opens a lot of opportunities, even though you may not want to be a practicing lawyer.